that video?
Cat Park will serve as a safe haven not only for cats, but for cat owners, too.
Is this real?
Are you real?
Yes.
Okay, I get it. Cat Park, but why now?
Why not? Meow. There will be a section of Cat Park with a slide, and you will put the cat on the slide, and you can watch that cat slide down that slide.
All right, that kicks ass.
I know what you're all thinking, will babies be allowed in this park? No, they will be arrested if they enter the park.
This doesn't make any sense.
Shut up, Charles.
Yeah, Charles. Cat Park. It's simple.
Oh, well, I mean, it's not that simple. No one's ever thought of it before. I am the first one.
Well, I don't think we need to vote on this, but let's just do it for fun. All in favor of approving Amy's Cat Park?
We could have saved millions of kids. But after seeing that presentation, I don't want to save kids. I want to entertain cats.
Welcome to Cat Park. Thank you for the standing ovation, everybody. Standing. Snowball?
Rembrandt?
Where's Lady Guinevere?
Buddy? Hey, buddy? Rembrandt, you here?
I've lost my cat.
Hey, Rembrandt?
I can't find my cat.